how to estimate the depth of trapezoidal channel using secant method. You have to know this important concept in order to estimate the depth of trapezoidal channel. This is formula of Newton-Raphson. So you have to consider these important issues. Solution of flow depth in meaning equation. There is no general analytical solution to get flow depth given flow rate. Newton's method can be applied. Suppose that at iteration j, the depth yj is selected and that the flow rate qj is computed. The objective is to select y so that the error f of yi is equal to qj minus q is acceptably small. The gradient of f with respect to y is qj is equal to 1 over n times s to the power of 1 over 2 times aj times r is the power of 2 over 3. So this is very important. Also, you have to know this important formula to solve the depth of rectangular or trapezoidal channel. This is for a rectangular channel. Now, I'm going to show you the method of estimating the depth of trapezoidal channel in Excel. All information are given for trapezoidal channel. As you see, the base width of trapezoidal channel is given, it is 3, and the side slope, roughness coefficient, the slope, and discharge are given. So, depend on this given information, we can solve or estimate depth of trapezoidal channel. And also, I provided every formulas to estimate the depth of trapezoidal channel here. To estimate depth of trapezoidal channel using secant method, we have to start from trail. First, let us take depth of trapezoidal channel as assumption or as 0.5 in the one. So first you have to provide or you have to set what you want to estimate in this Excel like this. I have to type trail depth here 0.5 and 1 from data set. This is trail depth. So simply we can estimate area of trapezoidal channel depend on this given information. Base of trapezoidal channel is given. It is 3 meter. It is constant for all, so you have to use Dora sign to write $sign. You have to press Fn and F4 on keyboard. Then next, we have to estimate perimeter of this trapezoidal channel. This is 7.4. From here, we have to estimate hydraulic radius, area divided by perimeter. Then we have to estimate f of yj by using secant formula. So it is this much. Also, we have to estimate absolute error here. Absolute error is equal to this one minus second depth minus first depth divided by this one. Now we have to estimate yj depend on given formula. So now we have got depth of this trapezoidal channel. So we have to continue the same procedure until the depth of this trapezoidal channel is similar, or until it comes to the same value. Let me check area and perimeter here. Bedwidth is the same, and also bedwidth is the same here. So you have to use dollar sign here. Right? We can estimate like this. If you get the perfect answer for this result, you have to populate this result for the remaining steps, okay? Like this. Yj value is the same, it is 0.8489, and also Q is 25. So now simply we can decide our correct answer. Okay, the depth of this trapezoidal channel is 0.489. We can estimate the depth of trapezoidal channel like this. This is the method of estimating the depth of trapezoidal channel using secant method.